So it's me running down the ghetto bird. Then ghetto bird. See, ghetto bird costume. See, tree. Children. It's telling you, you're foul. Because the addressing in bed. No from the news. Yeah, but he did say that no time. He likes to find people. They spend the same with each other. They happy. Whatever he did would stay with him. It would never change. That's the person with the moon string. He said, here. You're the best thing, man. I don't know why. He was the tragic voice or married to say, okay, because it's he said, he told the mother Jim who works for PBS, I need to get a bag. Yeah, about the PBS said, for I am should try to ask for too many things they think to get in the PBS or to clear or not. I've got me saying with the shit, can't good, but clear, and don't let PBS hurts. What about the cheater who likes to watch the same stream before they go to school the first game? But if you never at home, parents might be like that you watch the same stream through these ABCs. Never and language skills you develop and learn how to pronounce the words correct. And I remember my co-worker, she Steve, and she had 3 children. She said when her children was small, she wanted children to know how to sing the words and speak it proper without hearing people. So that she and her husband lived. So she asked her family who helped me here to come visit it's sophisticated or she go there with the children. It's supposed to serve to the word to live with it. But a whole lot of time children stays hard. With a name, why America's house went very well to see all the TV. Asked you to watch some stream, watch and learn these amazing numbers and how to sing the singers, how to sing that on stream. Because that they learn some words that make sense. What they learn from Mama said seven. Said they say, what do you say? You say that. Oh, I don't know. So see to be human. That's what he said. At the end of that, I saw it means one lady coming right now who's operating PBS on Sing Stream TV Milk. I think she sees some sneak burger. She urged that some things children who are homeless. The money very came for the bad rich, or maybe they had time to spend with children to teach. They'll have it with them. So she said that what TV shows bring it says it's in stream. They learn that from there and to sing the words family fit our ABC, the numbers, all the things. It's again learn experience from there. And then I will benefit. So my question is, why is family me so meaning about that PBS? Other PBS in a way, like masterpiece can show. It's some nigga shows. It's some show that have a relearn like time goes by. Or do you mean saying they so famous TV show. How about kicking this at the show? What was different people show how to king? Honestly, I know it's gonna be based just a minute out of the big match. What's Ronnie's mother? The opinions to leave? Oh, come on. They were having Alexander come there. Could you picture that? Get up that up to people aging. If me had his way, I get a burn at all his space, mummies. Flying me, Mitch. Yeah.